Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today, what we're gonna work on is we're gonna work on the side swing open with a hop. Now, in my previous tutorial, I did the side swing, which is also, some people call it AKA, they call it a southpaw. So you're doing something like this, pretty much the left hand that's going right is open back to the left. The right hand that's going left is gonna go back to the right. All right, so pretty much you've been going like this, all right? And it's pretty much, the main thing you wanna do is the hand that's moving to the opposite side is gonna go back in position. So with this drill, with this tutorial, what you're gonna do is, instead of having both feet down, like what you have right here, you're gonna do it with a hop. And then you can alternate it. This is a really good different kind of trick to do. It works very well. So, like I said, there are several different kinds of alternative drills you can do when it comes to jump roping. Yes, doing it on both feet is also cool, but when you start adding hops into it, that require a lot of stability. It requires a lot of pretty much working your core and keeping a good balance. So it's a lot of things that takes effort to making sure that you get that. So one of the things you want to do, like I tell you guys, if you ever getting confused when to time and when to jump, just think of it when it comes down. So as soon as that rope comes down, as soon as that whip comes down, that's when you want to be able to lift that leg. So it goes something like this. I'm gonna do it on one side. And then also too, I messed up there. Also what you can do is, if you want to spice it up a little bit, I'm gonna put this in slow-mo. But to spice it up a little bit, you can alternate your left leg and your right leg when you're actually doing the side swing open. So it goes something like this. So, give that drill a shot. It's a very cool drill to do. It's definitely, you're gonna get your heart rate up, trust me. And then once you open that skill, it gives you, I don't know, it just gives you a lot of wide range of other drills you can do besides landing with both feet. So if you having trouble doing the hop, I recommend you go back to the video that shows the tutorial about the southpaw. It's pretty much a side swing open. So if you haven't seen this one, go back and check that one out. Then once you master that one, then you get better at it. I don't know, it just feels so good to really do a bunch of hops in your drill, because I don't know, it just takes a lot more effort to really have that balance, making sure that you timing the rope well for it to go through. So give that one a shot, guys. I really hope that y'all like that one. Give that one a shot. Like I keep telling you, consistency, discipline, and patience. And I promise you, if you have those three, you will definitely open that trick. Give that one a shot. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.